Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today I will be finally doing the wig update on this affordable Amazon wig that I had received, I would say, about 2 months ago. And this hair is from Beauty Lumia Hair on Amazon. Also, quick disclaimer, if my voice sounds a little off and I'm like lisping and stuff like that, it's because I'm wearing my aligners right now. I'm gonna be going more in depth about that in like the next upcoming videos. But just a little disclaimer, that's why I might have a lisp. That's why I might be talking a little bit funny and stuff like that. But let's just get on with the video. So like I mentioned in the initial review for this hair, which I'll definitely leave the link and everything like that down below for that as well, I absolutely am in love with this curl pattern. I do love how this hair, you can either have like that sleek, wet and wavy look, or you can also have it in like a cute like curly afro fro type style like I did in the initial review for this wig. I will say, I usually, when it comes to my wigs, I tend to wear wigs on and off. So I'll usually wear a wig for like a week and then switch to another one and then, you know, basically bounce off of each other like that. So with this hair, I would say I probably wore this hair for maybe the equivalent of about 3 to 4 weeks. So basically a month of me wearing this hair and having this hair, you know, dealing with it, styling it, all that type of stuff. Now when it comes to this hair, everything's pretty much the same as it was when I first installed it. You know, the curl pattern stayed the same. There was no weird funky smell or anything like that after I washed it. The hair basically cooperated for the most part. When it comes to tangling, as long as you, because guys, you guys gotta realize as well, this is curly hair, so of course the hair is going to tangle. So as long as you know how to take care of curly hair and actually detangle it correctly, you're not really gonna deal, like, this hair doesn't mat up or nothing like that, at least in my personal experience dealing with this hair. For the most part, I'd rather use a wide tooth comb. Sometimes I use a regular hairbrush on this hair, but for the most part, I like to use a wide tooth comb now because I feel like it helps better detangle everything with less shedding. Also, I never comb through this hair when it's dry. I always make sure I spray with my spray bottle and then comb through it. So again, tangling is kind of at a really low minimum for me on that.
Now, when it comes to the shedding,
with me, y'all know I like to keep it 100% real with y'all, point blank period, whether I got the hair for free or whether I paid for it with my own money. And with that being said, I have noticed that every time I were to install this hair and then wait a little bit and then install it again, I feel like every time I do a reinstall on this wig, I feel like the shedding does kind of increase a bit. Now granted, like I said in my initial review, the shedding is a bit above minimum shedding, but it's not alarming right away. And I'm just like, okay, cool, whatever, it's curly hair, let me just rock with it. And then on top of that too, I always like to explain to people exactly what I do to the hair just in case I might be doing something wrong. But typically when I uninstall a wig, literally what I do is I use the alcohol to take it off, and then I kind of just toss it in my wig box and I don't really touch it or do nothing with it until I go to put it back in, and that's why I detangle it, wash it, all that stuff, and get it ready for me to plop back in. So that might be the case as to why there's extra shedding to the hair, because I kind of tapped it to the side and didn't really try to detangle it or nothing, because especially with the whole V virus thing going on, I typically, whenever I would wear this hair, I would usually wear this hair into like a bun and call it a day, because I don't feel like having to keep touching my hair when I'm at work, because again, like germs and all that other stuff. So that could be the reason why I'm getting more shedding with this hair than I did when I first got it. Again, I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm not bashing the company by any means. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm personally experiencing. I will say I do get the most shedding when I do have to wash and detangle the hair after, you know, I'm trying to like reinstall it and stuff like that. So that could be another reason why. On a day-to-day me styling this hair, again, I spray it with the spray bottle, run through it with the wide tooth comb, sometimes a brush, and then I'll put like a little bit of like curling mousse or something on it, and then don't touch the hair for the rest of the day. And that's why this hair, I will say, is like 95% dry and it still looks like this, is because of the way I style it. So, but with all that being said, like after it's styled and all that stuff, I really don't deal with any shedding. Like I don't have any loose strands all over the place or nothing like that. Like it's nothing crazy, but again, like I said, it does shed more than minimum. It's not crazy shedding, but it's not minimum shedding either. I would say it's like almost halfway, but a little bit closer to minimum shedding. But again, the shedding is, to some people, the shedding can definitely be alarming. To me, if I would have paid for this hair with my own money, I definitely would have been like, okay, like, how long is this wig really gonna last me? Honestly, there's no like random bald spots or nothing like that throughout this hair, so I honestly can't sit here and be like, oh, this hair is only gonna last you this amount of time, because, but again, I did want to, you know, let y'all know about that. That's probably the main con that I do have with this wig as of now, again, with me wearing this hair for basically the equivalent of a month. Other than that, I don't have any issues with the hair. The hair, like I said before, the curl pattern is gorgeous. It cooperates with me. The lace, like I said in the initial review, it does have brown lace, but it's kind of like brown HD lace. Like, if I, like, to me, if you're someone that's like a darker skin tone, this will definitely take you like 2 seconds to blend it into your skin, but because I'm a little bit lighter than what the lace is, it is a little bit tricky, but it's not impossible for me to blend it, so I am very impressed with the way the lace is. Again, styling this hair is not hard whatsoever. If you guys want like a more detailed video of how I personally style this hair to get it to stay like this even once it's dry, definitely let me know down in the comments so that I can do that. Will I still wear this wig? Of course, like guys, especially because it's summer and whatnot. Your girl is in love with like deep wave, curly, even kinky curly. Like, that is my main go-to. So I definitely wouldn't say this wig is a dub or anything like that. I still to this day would recommend for you guys to get this hair. But again, just be a little leery when it does come to the shedding because of the fact that it is above minimum. Again, once you style the hair behaves. Like, as long as you don't touch it or you keep having it rubbing up against stuff, you should be fine. Again, I'm not 100% sure how long this wig is gonna last me because of the shedding aspect of it. But again, just be wary. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing really changed at all within a month. Of course, I will be probably doing a 2-month update once I've worn this hair for an equivalent of 2 months. And again, like I said before, with it being summer and me trying to be summertime fine, you know, I'm definitely going to be wearing this hair more often. Again, you know, tangle is very minimum. You just have to know how to take care of your hair. Shedding is getting me a bit nervous, but again, once the 2-month mark picks up, I'll let you guys know if anything changed with that. But other than the shedding, nothing really changed with the hair at all. So I'm still a happy camper. The shedding can get a little bit annoying, but again, it just depends on how much you're willing to put up with it. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. If I missed anything, or if you guys have any additional questions on anything I talked about in this video, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Trust me, I respond to all my comments. Sometimes as I'm replying, I'm over here writing whole paragraphs sometimes. I don't even realize it until I'm just like, oh crap, this is a lot. So yeah, don't hesitate. I'll definitely answer any questions that you guys may have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, you know, if y'all want to be summertime fine like me, like, let's get it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this kind of helps shed light if you're someone that wants to look into possibly purchasing this hair and you're not 100% sure. Definitely let me know down in the comments down below. And I hope I helped you guys out with this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.